So you've decided that you want to learn to ride a motorcycle. To some, the task may seem a bit daunting. So many things to learn, so many rules to remember. Knobs, switches, and levers all being used in different ways, sometimes at the same time. Well, take a breath, one step at a time. Let's start with simplifying hand signals. This is Scott Fraser, and this is me, Gary Parsons. Now, normally we're out making 4K motorcycle travel videos, but today we break to educate. We are the Northern Road Kings.
Hey YouTube, it's Gary with the Northern Road Kings. Today I'm just outside of London, Ontario, and I'm going to do a video on motorcycle hand signals or arm signals. Some of these you will need to know at some point in your riding career. They are on the motorcycle safety test if you plan on doing that, which you should. And other ones, you'll see other people doing it and wonder what it means, and you'll learn that today. And there's some that maybe I don't have in here, or I don't know that you do. Put it in the comments below, share those with us, and we'll all learn together. So stay tuned.
Now, at some point in your riding journey, there may come a time when your signal or brake indicators may fail to work, maybe from a burnt out bulb. That's why these first 3 hand-arm signals are on the licensing test. Let's start with this one, the right turn. To signal a right turn, extend your left arm out and bend upwards at the elbow. The way I remember this is right turn, make a right angle with your arm. Next is the left turn. To signal turning left, extend your left arm straight out. To remember this, point left with your arm to make a left turn. Third is the stop signal. To make this signal, extend your left arm out straight and then down at the elbow, which is the opposite of the right turn. Remember, this is flashing a hand stop signal that people behind you can see. Now, those are the ones that you may already know, but let's look at some of the ones that you might not. This is the signal to a co-rider that their signal indicator is still flashing. With your left arm extended out and up at the elbow like the turn right sign, open and close your hand, making a fist, reopening, and repeating. This is the sign for someone else to take the lead. Point to the rider you want to lead with your left hand and then face your palm towards the front and wave your arm backward and forward. This is the signal for speed up. With your left arm extended straight out, face your palm towards the sky and flap your hand up and down. This is the sign for slow down. Extend your left arm straight out and face your palm towards the road. Now flap your hand up and down, the exact opposite of speed up. This is the sign for police ahead. We do not endorse the use of this sign, but if you see a rider tapping his helmet with his left hand, that's what he's trying to tell you. This is the most frequently used hand signal on the road. It needs no explanation, and we don't endorse using this one either. You may find yourself receiving a whooping from another angry biker. This is the way we wave to another rider as they pass us from the other direction. It means rubber side down and is very commonly used. Just extend 2 fingers like a peace sign, usually pointing towards the ground. This is the sign for a beverage break. Shape your left hand into a drinking cup and tip it towards your mouth. This sign means fuel stop. Basically, you are just pointing to your fuel tank. So those are some commonly and frequently used hand signals. Hopefully we've helped ease your frustration. So how about clicking some happy thumbs up hand signals back if we did?
Alright YouTube, that was motorcycle hand signals and arm signals. I hope you learned something today, but please don't watch the video and go do it for the first time. Take a motorcycle training course and learn how to do it from a certified instructor. So make sure you share the video with your friends, hit that like button if you liked it, smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.